Transforming your home office into a space that inspires productivity, creativity, and comfort doesn't have to break the bank. With a few clever do-it-yourself hacks, you can upgrade your workspace, making it both functional and stylish. Whether you're working from a dedicated room or carving out a nook in your living space, these ideas will help you make the most of what you have. So let's dive into a world of DIY solutions designed to elevate your home office. Start by reimagining your desk setup. The desk is the heart of any office, and a cluttered surface can quickly sap your motivation. Begin by crafting a custom desktop organizer out of everyday materials. Take several small boxes, shoe boxes work well, and cover them with decorative paper or fabric. Stack and glue them together to create compartments for pens, notepads, sticky notes, and other office essentials. For a sleeker look, try repurposing glass jars or tin cans as holders, painting them in your favorite colors or wrapping them with twine for a rustic touch. This hack keeps your necessities within reach and adds personality to your workspace. Next, tackle cable management. Tangled cords are a common headache, but they're surprisingly easy to tame with a few DIY tricks. Attach binder clips to the edge of your desk and thread your charging cables through the handles. This keeps them from slipping to the floor and makes it easy to plug in devices at a moment's notice. Alternatively, use Velcro strips or zip ties to bundle cables together, reducing clutter and minimizing the risk of accidental unplugging. For a more creative approach, consider making a cable box out of a shoebox. Cut holes on either side for cords, decorate the box, and tuck your power strip inside. Not only will this keep your cords hidden, it'll also give your office a cleaner, more organized appearance. Lighting is another crucial factor in creating a productive workspace. Harsh overhead lights can strain your eyes, while too little light can make you feel sluggish. Instead of buying an expensive desk lamp, try making your own using materials you already have. Fill a mason jar with LED fairy lights for a soft, ambient glow, or repurpose an old wine bottle as the base for a custom lamp. If you prefer directional light, attach a clip-on lamp to a shelf or stack of books. And don't forget about natural light. Position your desk near a window if possible, and use sheer curtains to diffuse harsh sunlight, creating a bright but comfortable environment. Storage solutions are key to maintaining order in your office. If you're short on space, vertical storage is your friend. Install floating shelves above your desk using inexpensive brackets and planks of wood. Paint or stain the wood to match your decor, and use the shelves to display books, decorative items, or baskets filled with supplies. For smaller items, try mounting a pegboard on the wall. Pegboards are incredibly versatile. You can hang scissors, headphones, charging cables, or even small potted plants. Customize your pegboard by painting it, adding hooks, baskets, and shelves as needed. This not only frees up desk space, but also turns your supply storage into a visual feature. Creating a comfortable workspace is just as important as keeping it organized. Ergonomics can make a huge difference in your productivity and well-being. If your chair isn't as supportive as you'd like, make a DIY lumbar pillow using fabric and stuffing, or repurpose an old cushion. Add a seat pad for extra comfort, and consider crafting a footrest from a sturdy box covered with fabric. These simple upgrades can help prevent back pain and fatigue, making long hours at your desk much more pleasant. Personalization is what truly sets your home office apart. Inject your personality into the space with DIY wall art. Frame motivational quotes, create a gallery wall with your favorite photos, or design a vision board using cork panels and push pins. You can even paint a section of your wall with chalkboard paint, turning it into a space for jotting down ideas, reminders, or daily goals. If you're feeling crafty, try making your own decorative garlands out of paper, felt, or fabric. Hang them above your desk for a cheerful, inspiring touch. Greenery has a remarkable effect on mood and productivity. Even if you don't have a green thumb, there are plenty of easy ways to add plants to your office. Make your own planters from tin cans, jars, or old mugs, decorating them with paint or washi tape. Arrange a few small succulents or air plants on your desk or shelves. They require minimal care and add a refreshing pop of life to your space. If natural plants aren't an option, try crafting faux greenery from paper or fabric, or purchase realistic-looking artificial plants. Sound can impact your focus, so consider adding some DIY solutions for noise control. If your office tends to get noisy, make simple sound-absorbing panels using wooden frames and layers of fabric or foam. Hang them on your walls to dampen echoes and reduce distractions. For a more decorative approach, use thick curtains or rugs to soften sound and add warmth to the room. Keeping track of tasks and deadlines is essential in any office. Make your own dry erase calendar using a picture frame and a printed calendar template. Place the template behind the glass and use dry erase markers to jot down appointments, deadlines, and reminders. For a more tactile experience, create a magnetic board using a metal tray or sheet. Paint it, attach magnets, and use it to display notes, to-do lists, or important documents. Don't forget about the little comforts that make your workspace truly enjoyable. Fill a basket with cozy blankets, keep a mug warmer on your desk, or make a DIY coaster out of cork or felt. Create a dedicated spot for your favorite snacks or beverages, and set up a playlist of music that helps you concentrate. These small touches can make your home office a place you genuinely look forward to spending time in. Finally, embrace the power of repurposing. Look around your home for items that can be transformed into office supplies. An old ladder can become a bookshelf. A vintage suitcase can store files, and unused kitchen organizers can keep your drawers tidy. With a bit of imagination, everyday objects take on new life, adding character and functionality to your office. Upgrading your home office doesn't require expensive purchases or professional design skills. With these DIY hacks, you can create a workspace that's organized, comfortable, and uniquely yours. The key is to blend practicality with personality. Choose solutions that solve problems while reflecting your own style. As you implement these ideas, you'll find that your home office becomes not just a place to work, but a space that nurtures your creativity, supports your goals, and brings you joy every day.